go. When it's this good, there's no saying no. I want you so, I'm ready to go. Through the fire, to the limit, to the wall. For a chance to be with you, I'd gladly risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever, come what may. For a chance of loving you, I'd take it all away. Right down to the wire. Even through the fire. Even through the fire.
You know what? You can hold this. Pag ginawa mo yan, pag parang background mo yung fire, you can do it na nakatayo ka lang. Fire.
Parang
tagal. Parang you can hold it there. Hindi siya fire. Pwede mo siyang gawin na fire na matagal para ma-emphasize, alam mo yun, may emphasis ng konti. Kasi pag dito lang shortcut agad, parang wala na. Parang patay, namatay, ganun. So, you can hold it yung last mo. Pwede ganun. Van, ano lang, parang iwasan mo talaga to.
Pero dun sa, ano, nasa upbeat na, through the fire,
pero wag
to
masyado.
the limit, to
movements
the
na ano na rock. Rock na movements. Ha? Kasi parang pop, nagiging pop, nawala yung ano, feel ng genre mo.
Apo.
Dapat rock.
Apo.
Si, ano na, Bugoy. Saan ka?
Walang biglang gulo sa aking pag-iisip. Mula nang tayo'y nagpasyang maghiwalay. Nagpaalam pagkat di tayo bagay. Nakapagtataka.
Who's next? Bunny?